So you've just received your UCC student number, email address and password. Congratulations! In this video, we're going to walk you through setting up your UCC Student IT account. This involves signing into your student Microsoft Office account for the first time, setting up MFA on your student account, and resetting your password. Click on the Office link included in your registration email. Enter your full UCC student email address, which is your student number at umail.ucc.ie. Enter your temporary UCC student password. The login screen will now display More Information Required message. Click Next. You will now see a message labelled Keep Your Account Secure and a prompt asking you to install Microsoft Authentication on your phone. Click Next. Search for Microsoft Authenticator in your App Store or Play Store and hit Install. Under the Keep Your Account Secure message, you will be prompted to set up your account. Click Next. This will generate an on-screen QR code. On your phone, open the Microsoft Authenticator app. Accept the privacy policy. Under the Help Improve Microsoft Authenticator screen, select Continue. Now select Scan QR Code to sync your Microsoft Authenticator app with your UCC Student IT account. You will now receive a notification that Authenticator would like to access your camera. Click Allow and OK. Point the camera of your phone at the QR code presented on your computer screen. You will receive another notification that Authenticator would like to send you notifications. Click OK/Allow. Microsoft Authenticator will now show you your student number listed as an account on the app. Return to your computer screen. On the Scan QR Code message, click Next. On the Keep Your Account Secure screen, you will receive a message labelled Let's Try It Out. Under this message, a 2-digit code will be displayed. On your phone, you'll receive a notification from Microsoft Authenticator labelled Are you trying to sign in? Here, enter the 2-digit code that is being shown on your computer screen. Click Yes. An approved message will appear on your Microsoft Authenticator app. On the Keep Your Account Secure screen, click Next. You will see a message labelled Success. Click Next. From here, you will be brought back to a UCC screen asking you to update your password. Firstly, enter the temporary UCC password sent to you in your registration email. Enter your new password, confirm your new password, and click Sign In. That's it! Your UCC Student IT account has now been fully set up, and you will have access to all online student services shortly. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, be sure to contact us. Thank you, and welcome to UCC from UCC Student IT Services.